is open for business, in person, online, and straight to your door.
Welcome back.
We're so excited to see you. From the beginning of the pandemic, business owners have worked hard to ensure that customers feel safe dining and shopping in Highland Park.
We've provided a safe environment for our clients and our teams.
We've expanded outdoors for all season services.
We've made some major upgrades to our safety protocols this year. For example, here at Style Shack, we want you to meet our new air filtration system, or ANSI.
For your safety and ours, we've implemented a contactless ordering and payment system.
Here at Michael's, we've made it easier than ever to purchase online, and curbside pickup is here to stay.
We have installed tabletop barriers between the manicurists and clients, as well as a standing barrier between the clients. We take the body temperature, as well as spraying the hand sanitizer upon entry.
Together, we're making you a promise, our welcome back promise, so you can feel confident in our commitment to operate safely.
We promise that masks will be required and hand sanitizer will be available.
We promise to encourage social distancing. Look for the signs.
We promise to keep capacity within state guidelines.
We promise to clean high-touch surfaces frequently.
We will continue to make health precautions for our customers and employees a strong priority.
We will ensure you have the best possible experience, whether shopping, dining, relaxing, or discovering that hidden gem that you can't find anywhere else, because Highland Park is a community like no other.
You'll always feel welcome in Highland Park. That's our promise to you.
Join us in Highland Park.
Great shopping, dining, and other services are waiting for you.
Welcome back.